Hi, today we will learn Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia about several words with apa as the basic or base word, because in Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia we use several kinds of prefixes and suffixes, and it can change the meaning of the word. I don't write these words in capital, the initial, because sometimes you can put it in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence sometimes, and sometimes we put it at the beginning of the sentence. Apa is what, and I write it with capital here, but it should be with lowercase, of course. If this one is the first word of the sentence, of course, just the initial that has capital or uppercase. Apa is what, but it can also what is it or what do you want. Apa, apa, apa. And then siapa, who or whom. Siapa. Mengapa, why. It is the same with this one. Kenapa, why. If we add the suffix an, apaan, what is that? And in Indonesian daily conversation or casual, we kind of don't say lots of words. By saying apa itself is already what is it, what do you want, and who, just siapa. You don't have to say who is it or who are, just siapa or mengapa, just like that. And this is, what is that? We just say it, apaan. And this one, for how much and for how many, we just say berapa. I will just put it here. What to do? We add the prefix di and suffix kan. Diapakan. That's all. Diapakan. And in casual or daily conversation, because in Indonesia we kinda have casual or slang, I think it's based on how we try to, we already courting or we already don't mention many words. We make it as simple as possible. And we also try to pronounce it in the easier way. Like this one, kan. Sometimes in casual or daily conversation, we change this suffix kan into in. Because the tongue itself is, the tongue and also the mouth, it is easier to say in than kan. Because with kan, you have to use the tongue to pronounce the K. To in is just in, like that. I will do example here. Diapakan. And then now the casual version. Diapain. Diapain. Yeah. That's why I put the heart here, to make it as this is the informal or casual slang. And this one, apa-apa every, or any. And if, whether, or is something, am, something, are, something, was, something, were, something, apakah, the tone itself can be apakah. And this, the suffix lah, is to strengthen the what else itself, to emphasize the questioning. Apalah. This one, furthermore, apalagi. Lagi is again, but this one, apalagi, is in one word. The meaning is this one. And now, how are you? We just do two words. First is the apa, and then kabar. It means news. How are you? Apa kabar? And in daily conversation or slang, sometimes we also reduce the letter A. It becomes apa kabar? And the other words, for example, for thank you is terima kasih, but in daily conversation it becomes makasih or trims. That's all. And this, the apaan, but we repeat the apa and we add the suffix an here. Apa-apaan. The polite way is to say, what are you guys doing here? What are you guys doing? In English, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing here? In Indonesian, apa-apaan. Or in English, a bit impolite, what the beep? What the beep? Apa-apaan. Okay, I will repeat now. Apa. Siapa. Mengapa. Kenapa. Apaan. Berapa. Diapakan. Diapain. Apa-apa. Apakah. Apalah. Apalagi. Apa kabar. And this one, apa-apaan. Thank you or makasih. Trims, the formal one, terima kasih.